Good morning, students. Our today's topic is use of was and were. We will learn the use of was and were. The verb was and were used in past tense. was और were का यूज़ हम past tenses में करते हैं. प्रेजेंट में हमने यूज़ किया था is, am, are का. Okay. Firstly, was. Its हिंदी मीनिंग था और थी. We use was with he, she, I, this, that and singular subject. Was का यूज़ हम किसके साथ करते हैं? He, she, I, this, that and singular subject के साथ. Let's see the examples. She was a queen. वह एक रानी थी. It is an assertive sentence. Next, she was not a queen. वह एक रानी नहीं थी. It is negative. Was she a queen? क्या वह एक रानी थी? It's interrogative sentence. Why was she a queen? वह एक रानी क्यों थी? It is also interrogative. Two type of interrogative sentence are there. First one is starting with helping verb and other second one is starting with question word. Okay, let's see some other example. He was in the room. You also can make sentences, different type of sentences with the help of one sentence. He was in the room. वह कमरे में था. He was not in the room. वह कमरे में नहीं था. Was he in the room? क्या वह कमरे में था? Why was he in the room? वह कमरे में क्यों था? Okay. Next, Rita was not there. रीता वहाँ नहीं थी. I was a doctor. मैं एक डॉक्टर था. That was a car. वह एक कार थी. The use of were. Its Hindi meaning is थे. We use were with we, you, they and plural subject. वर को हम we, you, they और plural subject के साथ यूज़ करते हैं. Example, you were in the market. तुम बाजार में थे. You were not in the market. तुम बाजार में नहीं थे. Were you in the market? क्या तुम बाजार में थे? Why were you in the market? तुम बाजार में क्यों थे? Some other examples are there. You were not a teacher. तुम एक अध्यापक नहीं थे. They were born in India. वे इंडिया यानी भारत में पैदा हुए थे. सोनू एंड मोनू वर ब्रदर्स. सोनू और मोनू भाई थे. So these are the example of was and were. We use was with singular subject and were with plural subjects.